Okay. Hello. So, hello. So in this SOP, I'm going to go over how we build out the entire flow structure so we can better understand what features we are going to need to develop and what's going to be necessary and what are requirements for the app we are building out. This procedure is only necessary for big projects that involve like at least three code bases, for example, admin panel, website, and mobile app. And we are going to map out the user flow at first, and then we are gonna look over the interactions, how which code base requires which features. So yeah, this is basically for the developers, and this is our process how we go about developing these solutions. So I've had previous meetings with the client, and I've registered all the necessary features, and we are going to go over them and basically build out the user flow. So the first thing that the user does is he finds out the he finds out about the website, um, finds the website through Google or social media. Then what he does, he finds his hmm. Okay, I will go over these parts right here. Mm, Basically, he finds a blog or he finds a sports club near him, or he just applies through, or just clicks on a so here he will fill in, so this is still on the website, so he fills in contact form with email, phone number, name, also country and city. Those could be uh, auto-detected based on if he takes a sports club in a specific city and tries to apply to that. In that case, country and city will be auto-detected, else user will have to put it in manually. So they register. Okay, if they have selected a sports group, uh, show available groups. I think this SOP is going to be pretty long, because this is a pretty complex thing that we have to go over right here. So, if they have selected a sports club, show available groups. So they had a example website right here, how that is shown. So it was right here. So there are multiple groups they can apply to. So show available groups. user can apply to multiple groups, and after submitting form they receive a confirmation email. So what was the process right here? So they can apply, then okay, makes sense. So they receive confirmation email. Let me just extend this floating a bit further. So this is just the let me get this is just the please. So it's right here. Let me make this smaller and let me do it like that. Yeah. So he finds that, then they receive confirmation email with in mobile app. All of these are getting tracked by post hog, so we can build out another section, I guess, on top of this. Section, yeah, right here. But I don't think it's really necessary like that. They get an authorization. They receive confirmation email with authorization info on mobile app. And then what is going on? So they basically can register in mobile app with that link, and that link will already contain info will already be saved with in email. So the sign up info will be already saved with login credentials in received email. So yeah, to be honest, I have no idea how to map these out. So if they have selected a sports club, show available groups. Let me just delete this. If they have selected a sports group, let me do it like this. This would be like an if statement or something. Once again, I have no idea how to make these. Actually, right here, like this. So basically, let's add it to this one, and then this one goes right there, and this goes right there, and this one goes right there. So let's add text if they have selected yes right here, and no right here if they haven't selected. So submit form, then they receive confirmation email with authorization info in mobile app. So register in mobile app, the sign up info will already be saved with login credentials from received email. So okay, so yeah, right here we can basically add another check, and if user has selected club and groups. Let's make it like this. This flows in here. And here we have another thing. Boom. If user has selected sports group, and then this would happen. So basically they already have all the info necessary. So if user has selected sports club and groups, then they can complete profile, add profile picture, change password, add profile picture, change password. What else? What else they can do? Okay, so they can add information about their child. Which means age, name, what else? Name, surname. Yeah, age, name, surname. Okay, makes sense. So if user has selected sports group, and they can already do that. Otherwise they can go ahead and select country, select city, select sports club. So yeah, like that. That would be the flow. So here, if user has selected sports club, oops, here's no. Here's yes. Wait, actually, what was here? If they have selected sports club. Yes, okay, makes sense. Select country, select city, select sports club, and then they can go ahead and change their profile information. Yeah, this is I'm building this out just for my developers, so they can better understand like how everything should work and what should be the functionality. And I hope that you can get some value out of this, because I'm currently just mapping out the user flow, and based on all of these points, my developers will develop the application accordingly. So complete profile, add profile picture, change password, add information. Okay, select country, select city, select sports club. So that's the flow. Okay. Also, I think here they can they get redirected to sports club page. This is just the onboarding process, which is already pretty complicated. Let me add a sticky note right here. So it's version submit form. Okay, registering. Okay. After each sign up step, save it in database. So the user doesn't have to so the user doesn't have to fill in the same fields again. So that's the idea. So they get redirected to sports club page. So okay, so there's just the sports club page, and over there finds the website through Google or Sam. Okay. This is not the circle. This should be this thing. So open sports club page. So this is gonna be the in-app functionality. So actually, let me make this a triangle for some reason. Okay, yeah, this is going crazy. So this is just this is gonna be called app. So here, this is just app. Actually, let me change this shape into this thing. Yeah, this is way better. So this is going to be the in-app environment. So let me make a new section right here. So yeah, this is parent section, and this is gonna be app. So here in the app, they have multiple options of things they can do. So for example, here's gonna be the sports club page. So what they can do is, oh yeah, I need to rearrange some things apparently. So let's do it like this. Yeah, this is good. Let me make this wider. Okay, this will be a lot bigger than that, so I will actually change the background color of this like that. So they can go to the sports club page. This is just the parents app actually, and this is gonna be the parents flow. So yeah, here they get redirected to the sports club page, so I can just go ahead and do crazy stuff like this. So yeah, right here I can try, please. Okay, yeah. So they get redirected to that page, and to make it look better, I can put it right here. So yeah, redirected to the sports club page. So in here, it's not pretty difficult actually. right here because this is also in the app page. So I can call this like after onboarding, like that, and they go to the sports club page. What they do next? So here they can view and apply to groups, see calendar, view and apply to groups, see calendar. View and apply to groups, see calendar. Okay, make payment. Basically the basic tasks. View and apply to groups, see calendar, make payment. Okay. Okay. View and apply to groups, see calendar, make payment. What else they can do? Just delete this for now. Okay, view and apply to groups, see calendar, make payment. Okay. After that, user receives email. User receives confirmation email. With date, time, and group info. So yeah, this is done literally just on over the top of my head. So from the top of my head, so there's no preparation. I'm just going over all of the main functionality aspects that the application must have, and I'm just writing them down so everyone can understand what's the purpose of which part of the app. Let me actually change my position a little bit here. Okay, so what do we have here? View and apply to group, see calendar, make payment, user receive information. This is like a functional thing, so I'm gonna make it in a different color so we can distinguish. So I think there was also some things here. Submit form, they receive confirmation email with authorization. So this is also a functional thing. Yeah. Okay, user receives confirmation email with date, time, and group info. They have also the option to cancel. Cancel in email and in app. In email. Okay. Option to cancel from email. So yeah, how this is gonna happen is user clicks on cancel button in email. Actually, let me use the sticky note thing right here. So user clicks on cancel button in email. That takes to our website where you can confirm whether it's or not on all the repercussions. So yeah. Okay, so I can also create another page. So this is gonna be like a sports club page. What is this? This would be my calendar page. So here user can see their active lessons, basically. User can see their active lessons with the option to cancel. So if user cancels, 24 hours before lesson, add the they can refund the payment. If user cancels 24 hours before lesson, refund the payment, else no refunds. Uh, 24 hours before the lesson and 2 hours after booking. So for example here, if user if the lesson was in like 20 hours and user just booked and then they received email and then they canceled, then it's perfectly fine because I'm sure like nothing would happen. So user receives confirmation email with date, time and group info. Okay, the option to cancel from email. Okay, user can see their active lessons with option to cancel. So okay, I can actually write like a cancel floating. So option to cancel right here. We can make it go right there like this, like that. Actually I can put it right here so it looks cleaner. Okay, apparently I cannot, so I'm just gonna put it right here. And let's also make this like that. User can see their active lessons with option to cancel. Okay. Also I need to put it like this. Also I can do something like that, and let me add a square right here. Why is it so big? I don't know. So this is gonna be child's profile. Oh, this shouldn't be like that. This should have been just a regular thing. Okay, I don't care to be honest. Hmm. Let's put it right here on top so it looks better. So there's child's profile. They can see child stats, lesson attendance, past lessons from coach and mentor right here. Okay. So nothing special over there. See child stats. Calculated via by algorithm. Okay. So great. So this is the parents flow, and this is like the main use case right here. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. So there should be like two options, like one where user can book in. Okay, user can book in from specific times, or they can also book automatically based on attendance. So they can apply to a group, and then they'll be charged automatically based on the attendance. So okay, so this is like the parents flow, which is pretty crazy to be honest. Yeah. Okay. So this is the parents flow. So what are we gonna do now? What do we got here? This is not necessary. Yes, 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 yes. Hmm. Okay. What we got here? Uh huh. They have event calendar, news. What else they have? Okay. Okay. Makes sense. Makes sense. Hmm. Okay. So I've gone over the parents flow, and now I have the now I will talk with the client. We'll go over the details, and we'll write comments accordingly. So this is the process that we follow for building out complex apps. We basically map every feature out so we can better or understand everything that needs to be implemented. So yeah, I hope you found this valuable, and yeah, see you on part 2 where we design the other parts of the flow. So thank you.